In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a section in Microsoft OneNote. Renaming sections is a simple but important way to keep your notebooks organized and easy to navigate. Clear section names help you quickly find your notes, whether you're studying, working on a project, or managing multiple subjects. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the notebook that contains the section you want to rename. At the top of your notebook, you'll see a series of section tabs. Each tab represents a different section, and this is where the name appears. Locate the section tab you want to rename and right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to managing your sections. From this menu, select Rename. Once you do this, the section name will become editable, and a cursor will appear in the text box. Type the new name for your section carefully. Make sure it clearly reflects the content inside the section so you can find it easily later. For example, if your section contains math notes, you could rename it Math Algebra or Math Geometry, depending on the content. After typing the new name, press Enter on your keyboard to save the changes. The Section tab will now display your updated name. You'll notice that all the pages within this section remain intact, so renaming the section does not affect any of your notes. If you make a mistake or want to rename it again later, you can repeat the same process. Right-click, choose Rename, and enter the new section name. This flexibility allows you to reorganize your notebook anytime without losing any content. Renaming sections is especially useful when you're managing multiple subjects, projects, or topics in a single notebook. It keeps your notes organized, easy to navigate, and visually clean. Proper naming also helps if you're sharing your notebook with others, making it easier for them to find what they need. And that's it. You now know how to rename a section in Microsoft OneNote quickly and efficiently, keeping your notebook organized and easy to use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.